Alright, welcome back to a new video of the Senses Spa. We're going to do official touring. We're going to be walking around, showing you a live rendition of us just walking through it. We got a nice little tour guide showing us everything, and we wanted to go ahead and take you along for the ride.
This is going to cover everything in the Senses Spa as well as the Rainforest room, so check it out. This was done on the day of open house where they walk you through, so we highly recommend not missing the open house. Enjoy the video.
Gorgeous! Oh, I think that's got 1% in the treatment. Then today and just today only we do have complimentary eye treatment to work on your eye area, making sure puffiness, no dark circles for your vacation, ready to take your picture.
Cupping.
Yeah. So we call it these are the advanced technology, cupping and e-steam for any kind of muscle stiffness, pain in the skin.
This is really nice. Yeah, I know.
It's like nice and cold.
This is like that spa. You know that spa that we live in?
Yeah.
It's like a, what's that car where they have it on the ceiling? No. Huh? I know, I got that. Yeah, so Senses Spa. Hey Lauren, what is this thing called? Rainforest Spa on the outside. So chill. Also swing thing.